Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best die-cut machines. Saving your effort from mechanical work, die-cutting machines enable you to make personalized cards, t-shirts, signs, and more by using various materials like cardboard, chipboard, vinyl, leather, and wood to cut them into precise shapes. To help you find the right model for your projects, we've gathered the 5 best options on the market. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The 5th die-cut machine in our list is the Bira die cutting and embossing machine, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. For crafters who prioritize quilting and sewing next to creating scrapbooks and cards, this model is a total necessity. While you hammer out your elaborate drawings on it, the machine's weight, albeit heavier than others, makes sure it's steady. On top of it all, the simple-to-use adjustment gears are the qualities that users love the most. You can easily adjust the height, blade depth, and cutting force to suit the demands of your project by turning just one knob. Moreover, the soft grip on the crank handle makes it easier to work comfortably for extended periods of time. With a 3 1/8-inch feeding slot, it has extra space that can make all the difference. It works in tandem with 3 cutting pads that you can use for cutting, 2D embossing, or 3D embossing. The cutting size is fairly small, but you might expect this from its price range and compact 3-inch design. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for kids and beginners since it has user-friendly features and surface. The 4th die-cut machine in our list is the AccuQuilt Go Fabric Cutter Starter Set, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. You might feel as though you are spending a lot of time and effort repeatedly measuring, cutting, and bending over your project back and forth. Best believe that a handful of hobbyists swear by this device just for the relief it has given them from back pain. While plenty of die cutters can handle fabric, only a select few can tackle the heavy fabrics needed for quilting. But what's impressive is that it can cut through up to 6 layers of thinner cloth in one go. Even more noteworthy is its ability to handle the thickest textiles without a hitch. And here's the best part: speed doesn't compromise precision. The dies cut with impressive accuracy, which means quilters save a significant amount of time and don't have to worry about uneven pieces or botched cuts. The set includes a cutting mat, 2 square dies, and 1/2 square triangle die, and is ideal for both experienced and novice quilters. Although it's easy to bring to courses, retreats, and even on vacation, thanks to its revolutionary portable design, you have to keep in mind that it weighs 15 pounds, so you might need to dedicate a bag for it. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for new and seasoned quilters who want to explore more templates, since this can accommodate dies from other brands as well. The 3rd die-cut machine in our list is the Silhouette Cameo 4, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. This machine is a leap forward in desktop cutting. It's got a nifty integrated roll feeder that allows for swift cutting of vinyl and heat transfer material right from a roll, neatly tucked into a small pull-out drawer. Plus, there's a built-in cross-cutter at the back of the Cameo 4, ensuring a precise straight-edge cut for your upcoming vinyl project. What sets the Cameo 4 apart is its innovative dual-motor technology, which lets you cut in 2 different ways. Its speed is truly remarkable thanks to the solenoid carriage 1 motor, which ensures smooth and delicate cuts. Compared to previous generations, the Cameo 4 can cut or draw up to 3 times faster without sacrificing precision. Now, the second carriage of the Cameo 4 packs a punch. It introduces a new rotary and craft blade, specially designed to work seamlessly with the Cameo's smart tangential technology, harnessing the higher downforce of the Cameo 4. This means the machine can tackle heavier materials without compromising surface quality. The 2nd generation auto blade brings a convenient single-tap reset function for quick adjustments to your project's blade setting. Additionally, the Cameo's unique twin carriage enables tool type detection. This clever system uses tool sensor technology to recognize the tool you're using, automatically adjusting the cut parameters in the Silhouette Studio software. Just a heads up, the craft blades that work in tandem with the smart tangential technology are sold separately, so keep that in mind before you make your purchase. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for business owners who need to do a lot of their craft on the go, as this model offers faster production speed. The 2nd die-cut machine in our list is the Sizzix Big Shot Plus die cutting and embossing machine, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. The Sizzix Big Shot Plus machine is the ideal tool for a variety of creative endeavors and accommodates users of all skill levels. A platform, one each of adapters A and B, and a pair of cutting pads are included in the set. On one hand, the A4 size platform allows you to cut a variety of materials up to 9 inches wide, and with just one roll through the Big Shot Plus machine, you can create a detailed and precise design to suit your creative needs. Thanks to the ability to cut materials like tissue, cork, fabric, and wood, possibilities are endless. When used in conjunction with the entire Sizzix library, which includes Sizzix Bigs, thin lids, Framble lids, and embossing folders, you can create an endless supply of high-end die-cutting products. The fact that this Sizzix machine can employ embossing folders gives it a significant edge over the majority of electronic die cutters. Usually made of translucent plastic, embossing folders have a pattern pressed into the material. You receive that lovely design properly embossed in your paper when it's put in the folder and pressed into the machine. This machine can still do a lot as a manual die cutter. It presses into your material using a metal die like a cookie cutter at a high steady pressure, which enables it to cut through some very tough materials like sticky magnets and thick textiles. It's a rather portable machine, 6 inches wide and 7.5 pounds in weight, so you can just grab it and go. You don't need to plug it in. With manual machines like the Sizzix, you can use what is known as a sandwich method by layering the material, die, and cutting pads. Though it's still considered compact, you need a stable table to rest it on. To operate it, you'll also need strong arms and hands. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone who has been testing their versatility, since Sizzix has hundreds of designs to choose from. The best die-cut machine in our list is the Cricut Explore Air 2 machine bundle, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. One of the best die-cutting devices on the market, the Cricut Maker is used for both enthusiasts and professionals. The Cricut Maker can cut more than 300 different materials, including paper, leather, wood, and more, with reasonable ease. It comes with a wide range of cutting tools and accessories, as well as an incredible 4 kg of downward force. This model includes supplies to get you started on your first project, as well as 2 cutting mats to keep your material firmly in place. The machine works rapidly with little instruction, according to our tester, and the setup process could not have been simpler. Standing out as its best feature is the Cricut Maker's Design Space software, which offers hundreds of project possibilities that you can download, cut, and make. With Bluetooth connectivity, more specialized designers make great designs on their phones or laptops and then send them directly to the cutter. In the package, you'll find a handy set of tools including a spatula, scraper, weeder, scissors, and tweezers, along with 9 by 12 inch sheets, transfer papers, and 8 Cricut vinyl pieces. These are all perfect for personalizing everything from home decor to car decals. And that's not all. It also comes with an accessory adapter, a helpful starting guide, a blade, a USB cord, a US power cord, a pen, a 12 by 12 light grip, and 12 digital vinyl designs to spark your inspiration. Now, one thing you should take note of is that when you restart the device, Bluetooth must be reconnected. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for craft enthusiasts who are working with a variety of mediums, since this machine is compatible with 300 different materials. And there you have it, folks, our best die-cut machines, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next die-cut machine roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.